Hey everybody, Ashton here again from Without Code. Today we're taking a look at our new white label gallery widget exclusively for enterprise members. As we can see here, it allows you to show off all the Without Code templates in a fully unbranded white label format. The user can sort through them via these categories. We can also click on any one of them to see it larger in a lightbox format. We're also able to shuffle through the lightbox display here with some navigation arrows, or close out of it anytime we want. And you as the designer can customize what's seen in the gallery here, so feel free to add your own websites or templates, or even mix and match them. All of the content that's shown in this white label gallery is controlled by you with the use of a Google spreadsheet, and updates to the spreadsheet will be seen in the gallery immediately. No need to open the website builder or do any republishing of the site whatsoever. Now, since this is a widget exclusively for enterprise members, if you want to use this on your site, we'll actually have to add the widget for you. As an enterprise-only widget, it's not going to appear in the widgets panel like the rest, so simply shoot us a note in Slack or via email, and we'll get it taken care of right away for you. Over here in the builder, we can see the widget already added here on this page, just as it's going to look for you once we integrate it on your site. Let's click on the gallery and take a look inside the settings panel. First option is the unique ID. As usual, just give this a unique name in the case that you're using it more than once on your page. Next up is the Google spreadsheet URL. Now, some of you might be familiar with similarly functioning widgets that we've released in the past. This is the URL corresponding to the spreadsheet where all of the content is loaded in. You're welcome to keep this as is if you want. If all you want to do is feature the Without Code templates unbranded, we keep this default spreadsheet updated all the time, and all the new templates will be added to this list when they get released. But many of you are going to want to customize it and perhaps add your own, and I'm going to show you exactly how to set that up and customize that right now. Let's click right here where it says View Current Template List here. And we get a new browser tab with the sample spreadsheet of the white label template gallery. Now the sample here is view only, so in order to customize it and make it your own, you're going to have to make a copy of it and publish it to the web. So we'll go up here to File and select Make a Copy. And we'll just need to give it a name. There we go, and click OK. Great. Now we have a fully editable version of the spreadsheet prepped and ready to go. So now to publish it to the web so that it will function on the site, we need to go up to File once again and select Publish to the web. And we can leave all the settings as default and click Publish. There we go. Now let's close out of this, and to get our link, we're going to go up here to Share, and we'll click Get Shareable Link. And this is what we're going to use for our widget. So let's copy it. And we'll head back to our widget, and we'll paste it in the Google spreadsheet URL field. So now that we've updated the spreadsheet link, this widget is no longer connected to the default spreadsheet. So any updates that you want to do now to this gallery will have to be done manually on our newly published spreadsheet. So let's go back to our sheet and take a look at some of our options. The first column is the option to enable or disable any site on the list here. Makes it very easy to add or remove them from your gallery with a single click. Next up is the title that's going to appear above the image, and then a caption or theme description. Now next up is category. Now some of these you can see have a single category and some have multiple. You can enter anything you want here to any theme, and new categories will be added to the gallery by simply adding it here in this column. Following category, there's three options here that require URLs. This one here is for the image, and this is what's shown in the lightbox after you click on a thumbnail in the gallery, followed by the thumbnail that's shown in the grid. Both of these need a direct URL to a hosted image, and you can use any image hosting service you want or simply host it in your Without Code image library and just grab the link to the JPEG and paste it here. Image and thumbnail can be the same image if that's easier for you. We've just given the option here to differ it in the case that you want to use different versions of the image, such as lower and higher resolution versions. And lastly, here's the URL to view the full theme in preview mode. Now beneath all of these themes is plenty of space if you want to add your own templates. Now if you do want to add your own sites, it is advised that you crop all of your images to the identical sizing of the existing images here in the spreadsheet so that everything stays uniform. So back to the builder, with our new spreadsheet URL entered in, we can already give this a preview and see all the templates showing nicely, and they're sortable by category and clickable to view in full screen lightbox mode. Let's switch back to editing mode and take a quick look at the rest of the customization options inside the settings panel. Thumbnail columns. Just like a regular gallery widget, this allows you to determine how many columns are displayed horizontally here in the gallery. Next is a toggle option for allow filtering. You can toggle this off if you don't want to give the user the ability to sort through these items. This will remove the categories completely from the gallery grid. Same thing here with pagination. You can toggle this off if you don't want the pagination visible here beneath the gallery. Next, we have a flyout here for gallery item settings. This is for each item in the gallery and allows you to toggle things on and off, such as the title, caption, the read more button, links, etc. And beneath that is the pagination settings if you have it enabled. You can change the number of items visible on each page and determine if the pages are loopable when scrolling through them. Let's click over to the design section really quick. There's actually quite a few options here, and no need for me to explain each one as it's pretty explanatory here which parameter each one is referring to, but you can customize all the sizing, fonts, colors, and more for all kinds of parts of the gallery, like the filters, the titles, captions, and so on. Lots of control allowed here, making for a really versatile widget that you can really do whatever you want with. This widget can be used as simply or as fully integrated and customized as you wish, so have fun with our new white label gallery widget for the Without Code website builder. Thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you guys next time.